I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil level in your Volvo V60. First, park your car on a level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, ensure the engine has reached its normal operating temperature. After driving, turn off the engine and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the oil to drain back into the oil pan, giving you a precise measurement. Following these initial steps correctly sets you up for a reliable oil check. Now let's access the digital dipstick. Turn the ignition on but do not start the engine. You'll see the car's display light up. Using the controls, navigate to the My Car menu. Within this menu, you find an option labeled Oil Level. Select this to view your current oil status. The display will show you if the oil level is normal, low, or needs topping up. This digital method is quick and convenient for checking your engine's vital fluid. Once you've accessed the oil level display, it's important to understand what you're seeing. A full bar or a normal message means your oil level is optimal. If the display indicates a low reading, it's time to add some oil. Remember, it's crucial not to overfill your engine. Add oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 of a quart at a time, and recheck the level after each addition. This prevents potential damage from excessive oil. Regular oil checks are vital for your engine's longevity. Aim to check your oil level at least once a month, or every 1,000 miles, whichever comes first. Always use the specific type of engine oil recommended by Volvo for your V60 to ensure proper lubrication and performance. Maintaining the correct oil level helps prevent costly repairs and keeps your car running smoothly. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.